How to use an AeroPress. That's an AeroPress, and you can use that to make coffee. It's got 4 parts mostly. There's a piston, a cylinder, goes in there like that. And that's for the filter. You need a piece of paper for the filter. But first, what we'll do is position it like that. Take some coffee. I'm going to take a scoop. That's quite a lot. That's like a pretty good amount for an espresso. Put it in. And now go get some boiling water. Just wait for that to boil. Okay, so that water's boiled. Now, to pour into the AeroPress. There we go. Now to grab a piece of filter. They're very thin, just only need one sheet. Put that into the little cap. Stick it on. And twist it till it's locked. Now this is quite warm to hold because it's boiling water. But it's not so bad, it's quite thick plastic. Prepare my glass. Lift it. I'll make sure, because I've got boiling water. Lift it and turn it over, like so. There we go. That is now ready to press. And I can press that down very slowly, just using just a little bit of pressure, not much. I don't want to go too fast because I want to, exploit that flavour. Different angles. Okay, we can see that's looking pretty nice. Just pressing it down. I'm almost there. Well, we can see what that looks like quickly from underneath. Smells really good. It's going to push that all the way through. Okay, so there's no water left in there now, just air. Okay. To clean it, it's quite simple. Just unscrew, and you can see the filter with the coffee. I'm just going to put that in the bin. Quickly rinse that under the tap. Put it back together for after. Now, just to add some milk, because I need milk. There we go. Lots of milk. It's time for coffee. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.